how come when I'm walking to school, sometimes my shadow's in front of me and sometimes behind me? And as you can imagine, we can go off in so many different tangents based on such a simple thing that it's really amazing to see at this age the number of scientific questions that they have, and questions about the world around them. So we thought we'd present to you something that combines a little bit of math, a bit of art, a bit of English, and a lot of science, which is some shadow puppetry, based on the story of Peter and the Wolf. Okay, our sort of little version. So we're going to plunge you into semi-darkness again, if you may. So no fear, we'll have some light again. Good moment, take it up. Zoom in. Now, I'm sorry my computer's not very loud, but we thought we'd give you a little bit of Prokofiev to go with it. You'll see how it goes. Good. Well, there was a little boy called Peter. Peter lived in a little hut with his grandfather at the edge of the forest. There's Peter. Peter loved making the meadow between the forest and the village. Come a little closer, baby. A little closer. Yeah. Peter looks pretty happy, doesn't he? I love his blue boots. Pretty cool, isn't it? Well, one day Peter decided to open the front gate, walked out into the big green meadow that was beyond it. On a branch of the tree was his old friend, Sasha, the little bird. Sasha flew round and round. She moved her arm a lot more around behind the screen. Beauty. Hey, Peter, said Sasha. Everything's quiet today in the village. Then, since Peter had forgotten to close the gate, out came another friend of his. That's Sonia the duck. She waddled out from the garden out into the meadow. She saw Peter and said hello. And she slid into a pond, her favorite little pond, and sat there enjoying the cool water on her toes.
I like it.
Well, no sooner had Sonia the duck began swimming than the little bird Sasha flew to the edge of the pond. And there said, "What kind of bird are you? You cannot fly." To which Sonia the duck replied, "Well, what kind of bird are you that cannot swim?" And so they began a little argument that lasted for quite a while.
They're fighting.
You can't swim. You can't fly. The duck swam back and forth, showing off her wonderful swimming skills. Look at me. Look at my webbed feet. While Sasha circled in the air, look at me and my wonderful flapping wings. through the open gate. And creeping through the grass was Yvonne, Peter's cat. The cat was thinking, that little bird is busy arguing with that duck. That duck is busy arguing with the little bird. Perhaps I'll just grab them while they're busy.
Yum, yum, yum.
So very carefully, on little velvet paws, Yvonne the cat started creeping towards the birds. Look how slowly he can move. Very soon, Peter noticed what was going on. "Look out," he shouted, and the little bird flew up into the tree. The duck swam back to the middle of the pond, and the cat ran to the bottom of the tree. It's gone. Just then,